Japan! Pag nag-search ka ng Maid Cafe, ang unang lalabas, may Dreamwind Cafe. You can get tickets from Klook or get tickets from KKday. This is how it looks inside. Maaga kasi kami dumating, so medyo peaceful pa and first customer kami sa dinner. Drinking waters are served sa colorful na glass. Taking videos and photos of the maids are not allowed. Kaya puro face namin ang nandito. Then umorder kami ng food na medyo may kamahalan kasi around 300 to 500 yung kada meal. Pero cute naman siya tignan, no? And masarap din naman. Bawat balik ng maid sa table namin, tinuturuan kami ng mga kawaii moves. One more time. They also have a kawaii show. Then at the same time, pwede kang mag-draw lots. Ayan. So, bibilhin mo yung draw lots na yun. Pwede kang manalo ng ganito sa headband or ganito, may souvenir picture with them. If you have spare time, go and visit them kasi kakaiba rin yung experience. Enjoy!